we're back with another one. Today I'm going to be showing off my Lego airplane. So right here we have these, and then we have the wheels for those, and we also have some gears that make these move, and then we have the gears down here, those make it move, and then we have the engine. Hang on. But you can kind of see move. I don't know if you can see that, but we have that, and we also have flappers that move like that, and then we also have them in the front ones. So yeah, we have those, and then the plane does move. It does like rotate, so it can like fly on the ground and stuff like that. This is a wildlife service airplane. So yeah, we also have a tiny miniature seat in there, so that's pretty cool. And that's all I have for you today. Like, comment, and subscribe.